everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If we have not met before, it's nice to meet you. For today's video, as you can see in the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my first Causebox. Now, I found this subscription box through Instagram. It looked really interesting. There's only 4 of them a year, so they're just seasonal. And the products inside looked really nice, really beautiful. So I decided to give it a try. Because of when I registered for my Causebox subscription, I got the summer intro box number 3. So I just got it today. Very excited. And let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay. So when I open it up, comes to this book. And let's see. What does it say? So inside it looks like it's just a collection of what's inside the box, what do we stand for. It says, our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. When selecting the products for each box, we look specifically for companies who share our values. So they're artisan made, charitable, and clean beauty. I like that. That was part of why I wanted to go with this subscription box, because it seems like they have more of an ethical side to them. So I thought that was really nice. So, and there is on the back their mission statement. So with the Causebox, they ship, I think it's 6 items, and you get to choose 2 of them. So what they do is they have either have one product that comes in different colors, and you get to choose the color you want. And then the second item you get to choose is like between 2 different items. So let's have a look. Ooh, okay. Alright, so another card. It says come together. Really cute artwork in there. Ooh, what is in here? Okay, so this is one of the items that was not when you could select. I knew this one was coming, so this wasn't one of, they also have mystery items, so this wasn't one of them. So this is the silicone stretch lids. I have seen a lot of these. I have a few of them. They're awesome. So you cover like a bowl, and it comes with 6? There's 6 inside? Yeah, there's 6. There's 2 of each side, and they're perfect for if you have any leftovers and you don't have a lid, like if it's just in a regular bowl, cover them. So those are going to be great. We'll like those. And that's cool. The bag that they come in it's made from cornstarch, so it's 100% recyclable, compostable, and biodegradable. So I can put this in my compost bin. Okay, so we've got a cognac facial cleansing sponge. Ooh. So this is one of the items that was a surprise item. I didn't get to choose, but I've been really getting into these facial scrubs. I have a charcoal one, so I'm interested to try this one out and see how it helps my skin. Okay, so we've got our second mystery item. So this is I always say this word wrong. Hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. So brand is Grace and Stella, so maybe it's a hydration cream, which is great because I find after I take showers, and especially after I use a facial scrub, my skin is super dry, so I am excited to try that. So this is one of the items that I got to choose. This was the one I got to choose the color. So it is a crossbody bag, and anybody who knows me knows I love crossbody bags. They're my favorite. They're perfect for just being on the go, and 99% of my life you'll find me using a crossbody bag. So, ooh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's super cute. So the 3 colors we got to choose from were, this is the cognac, a black, and a sage, which is a really light green, but I always love a good light brown bag because it just goes with everything, and I have a lot of bags that are black. So this is actually pretty nice. It's got the body strap. There's a pocket here. Nice zipper pocket with lots of little pockets inside. So I am definitely going to be breaking this out this weekend. So I'm really excited to get that going. The last item. This item is one of the other ones I got to choose. So I got to choose either between makeup brushes or this. So this is a felt board with letters. I don't have one of these, so I decided to go with that. Oh, cute. So I have to break apart all the letters. It's a white felt board, and then it has a little bag that I can put all the letters inside. So I can see that. And yeah, and I'll put up some signs probably soon. But I thought that was cute. That is everything that I got in my summer Causebox. I had the summer intro box number 3. And I'm really liking the products I got. I can't wait to try them out. And I think I'm going to be getting the fall one like mid-September to early October. So when I do get that box, I'll be sure to record a video so you can see. And I'll let you know how the products I got so far have been working for me. So that is all for today. Thank you for checking out my Causebox unboxing. And I'll see you next time.